Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Phala network. Yesterday I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move with you, and recently the price line has started a reversal move from here, and I would like to share this move with you, and I would like to also show you this expected breakout from this descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Phala that I shared yesterday, a few hours back, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. By the way, before that, I also shared this huge harmonic bullish reversal bat move with you, and I shared, by the way, this pattern here on this candlestick in the month of July 2022 when the price then completed this bat move on the monthly time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a very nice reversal move, and this is more than 530% pump against Bitcoin. And recently, yesterday, I shared this harmonic Gartley move with you, and this is the most recent Gartley, and you can see our buying zone was from here 21.39 cents and goes to 18.58 cents, and our sell target zone is from 25.33 cents and goes to 29.49 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price then started another nice reversal move, and that was more than 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And now it is moving between this potential reversal zone and this potential sell zone and potential reversal zone of this Gartley move that I've shared as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart first of all, then you can see recently we have broken out the resistance of this down channel, and I have been showing you this down channel's resistance almost in every video of Phala network, and I've been telling you that once the price line will be able to break it out, then we can expect a huge pump from here. And you can see after the breakout we had a quite huge pump, but rejected by this resistance of 50 cents. And I'll also share the target for this breakout with you, that what we can expect the target for this breakout from the down channel. But let me just share first this descending triangle with you that I was showing you in my previous video as well. And recently I have, by the way, adjusted the resistance of this descending triangle. Previously I was following this resistance, but after this rejection you can see we have some more touch points. Therefore I think we need to wait more in order to break out. And now we have several touch points here. Now, for example, if the price line break out this resistance, then after breaking out this resistance, our target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at 40 cents. And in that situation, you can see we can also break out this next resistance of 35 cents, and we will be very close to this very strong resistance from where we got this rejection of 50 cents. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then soon it can hit the target for this breakout from this down channel, and the target is here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.